Should I replace my HVAC because of rising repair costs? Not automatically, but replacement often makes sense when repairs are frequent, expensive, and the system is near the end of its expected life. Start by checking the system's age, repair history, energy use, and comfort level. Most heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems last about 10 to 15 years, although careful maintenance can extend that time. A useful rule is to compare the repair cost with the system's age, because a major repair on an old unit may only delay another failure. Ask a qualified technician for a written estimate and the likely remaining life of the equipment. Also ask whether the repair fixes the main problem or only one symptom. A system that runs for a long time, leaves hot or cold rooms, or needs frequent refrigerant may have deeper problems. One detail many homeowners miss is that a new system can perform poorly if its size is wrong or the ductwork leaks, so request a home load calculation and a duct inspection before buying. If replacement is likely, compare the total cost of repairs, energy bills, maintenance, and possible emergency failures over the next few years. One common mistake is replacing the unit based on one expensive repair, so first ask for a second opinion and the repair warranty. Another mistake is choosing the highest efficiency rating without checking whether the savings will repay the higher price, so compare expected yearly energy savings with the added cost. People also forget that installation quality matters as much as the equipment, so verify licensing, insurance, permits, and a detailed written scope of work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.